we breathe is polluted. Respiratory diseases have become the #1 cause of death. We use disposable masks that cause more waste and fuel the declining health of our environment. We need to change it. AIO.
I'm Anna and I'm one of the co-founders of AIO. As long as I can remember, I had suffered from allergies and my body reacting sensitively to polluted air. Whether it's smog, bacteria, viruses or allergens, polluted air affects each and every one of us.
We created a mask that produces the minimum amount of waste while providing a maximum amount of protection.
What is AIO and what makes it so special? AIO is a reusable, 100% transparent mask made from high-quality materials in Germany. It was our ambition to create a good-looking alternative to single-use masks that are not only uncomfortable to your skin, but also create tons of waste. We found a universal fit that suits every face type.
The most obvious feature of the AIO mask is its transparent design. The clear body liberates the face visually and allows for mimic and emotion to return to our everyday conversations.
At the bottom of the mask, we have a filter cartridge, which makes it very easy for you to exchange your filter pads.
All filters are FFP2 standard and are recyclable. The filters last up to 72 hours of breathing. This way you can enjoy a maximum of security whilst keeping your environment clean.
The flexible sealing stays soft to your skin even after hours of wearing your AIO mask. Additionally, at the top of the mask we have 2 optional breathing valves that further improve the airflow within the mask. Your AIO mask comes with 180 degrees adjustable head straps, which make your AIO even more comfortable to wear, even for a longer period of time.
AIO is ready for mass production. In order to ensure the highest production quality and standards, we need your help to kickstart operations. Support our cause, become a backer of our Indiegogo campaign, and secure yourself one of our great AIO perks. At AIO, we want to make sure everyone gets to wear a mask and stay protected in a sustainable fashion. That's why we have teamed up with Chameleon to help women in countries of need produce their own masks, creating protection and economic growth. For every mask sold on Indiegogo, we are donating €2 to the organizations in Namibia, Cambodia and India, allowing them to earn a living and produce 5 cotton masks.
That's why we need you to support us on Indiegogo to change the world for the better with AIO.